Yo, what's up guys, it's LOL Gamer Crafter. Today I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really cool rose cube. And it's arguably one of my favorite origami because it makes a really cool rose and it's really simple. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. So you can just pop it open like that and make it into its rose form. And then you can also pop these ones open to make the petals, which I feel is really neat how they've combined both of them into just one. So as you can see, they're sort of, okay, wait, here, let me just fix that a bit. Though when it's in rose form, it's pretty delicate, so I suggest that you be careful because if it gets crumpled, it does not work anymore. Oops, sorry. As you can see it right there, and then it has like the really neat petals. But I just don't know what. Oh, sorry. Oops. There we go, and there we go. So it has these really neat petals, and it can transform from a rose back to a cube. And I just really love the simplicity of this, and it's just one of my favorite origami for this because it's just so beautiful. I really love it. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. I'll put it inside here. And you're going to need two colors. One for the petals, so I recommend green, and one for the leaves and one for the petals. So I'm using purple and green. And how I'm going to, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paper and fold it in half. Also, I'm using 1/4 of an origami paper. This is the regular size. As you can see, it's 1/4. So all you have to do is just fold it in half of both ways, and then just tear it. I'll make a separate video on how to tear things properly, but now you're going to open it up and fold it up to the center again. And now you're going to fold it the other way as well. Okay, so now your paper should be in 1/4. So open it up. Now the next step is to fold your paper to the line of the fourth. So see, this is half, so this is the 1/4 line. So you're gonna fold this edge to this edge. Make a nice crease, and if you want to check if it's correct, you can fold this paper back over, and if it's right, it should make a nice corner. Now you're going to do that on the other side as well. Now you can open it up, and you do not have to do it the other way, just this one way. Now you're going to fold back on that crease, and then you're also going to fold against this line, which but instead of going like the way that this line would be going, we're going to go the other way. So we're going to reverse that crease like so. And then you can flatten this too, so that it creates like a sort of backwards L. And then you're going to flatten this area because this would be rounded, so you have to flatten it down real good. Now the next part is similar to what we did in the last cube video. You're going to take this side and fold it under this, and just and then reverse this crease. And then you can flatten it down. The next thing you have to do is just flip it over, and this triangle, we have to fold it over so that it makes a nice diamond. So that's how you make the module for the petals. Now I'm going to show you how to do it for the leaf. The leaf is the same until we do that sort of like L fold. So first we fold it in half, like so, and then to 1/4. And to 1/4 again. Okay, and then we fold it diagonally both ways. I mean, not both ways, just 2 out of 4 ways. Okay, now this is the part where it's different. We still make the L, and then flatten it. But then what we do instead of doing this side as well, which we will do later, but we have to do another step. Oh, here. Okay, we have to fold this corner down a little bit. So that this makes a right angle or a symmetrical triangle. Now we're going to fold this whole triangle to the right like this. Finally, the last step is to do the exact same thing that we did earlier, but instead we're going to do it with this part too. So we put this in, flatten this edge out, and then just sort of like this. What this allows it to do, and then we have to fold this triangle so that it makes the nice diamond, except that this part's missing. So what this allows you to do is make that petal shape when you open it up. So like when you open it, it'll make sort of petal shape. So you have to make 2 more of these, so you have 3 in total, and 2 more of these, so you have 3 in total. So you'll have 6 modules in total, 3 petals and 3 leaves. So I'll see you guys after I'm done with that. After you guys are done folding your pieces, open them back up a little bit so that they are at a sort of 90-degree angle, because that is the degree that we want to put them in at. Next step is putting the cube together. So you're going to take 2 of your pieces, and instead of inserting it on the top, what you're going to do is you're going to insert it into this flap that all of them have on both sides, as you can see here. Now we're going to insert one, but now there you have 2 options. And on the last cube, since it's not a transforming cube, it didn't matter which side you put your piece on, but it does actually matter in this one, because you have your because it has to open up properly. So what you want to do is, if you have your 3 pieces making one side of a cube, you need to make sure that these lines are going towards the center instead of away from them. So instead of putting it on this side, you have to put it on this side, like so, and then just slip it into there and pull it together. This allows the rose to look better than when it's sideways, because it just because then it creates the swirl effect from the center. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the green pieces and stick them into the purple ones, like so. Make sure you're sticking the long side of the green, otherwise this will not work. Now what you're going to do is you're going to slip the purple back inside the green, and finally poke the green into each other to make to seal the cube off completely. Oh, I'm sorry, this one fell off. Now you're going to stick these green short ones into each other as well. And that is the finished cube, my friends, and so good job for making this, because this has a decent amount of difficulty while you're putting it together. So the way that you open this up and make it a rose is you stick your finger inside both of these grooves here, and then you pull them open like this. You just want to stroke them up, and then you should try to curve this to make it look like a rose by pinching a little bit, but do not make a crease, so that it looks very natural and very beautiful. So do that for every side and just curl it. Like so. And so as you can see now, it kind of looks like a rose, and then we have to open up the petals as well. So we do the exact same thing and just have it go like this. And so it opens up. You want to make sure that these ones do not have to be curled, they can stay as they are, but you want to make sure that these guys are sort of, you pinch these together for the best effect. I'm sorry that the camera just got blurry. And there you have it. You have a origami transforming rose cube. As you can see, it looks very, very cool, and because of the petals and the center rose, it does look a little bit triangular, but that's okay. The more you play with it, the more natural it'll look. And to close it, all you need to do is you just close the flaps that you opened, like so. Just push them away from each other. And there you have it. That is all for today. That is the rose cube. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Tell me your feedback. If there's anything I can improve, then please make sure to tell me. If you guys want to see a specific type of origami, or like let's say that you want to learn how to make a dog, please tell me in the comments. I'll try to design a dog or find one that I can teach you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been Allan Walker, and I'm out. I'll see you later, guys.